she also does digital editing and SFX makeup. Mother, sister, this is the maternal aunt. In Uganda, I think they say mother. In the time, she was his person. That's 2 years. Lockdown. First one is the give. One person will give. Where are you? Kasozi will give. Kasozi. Kasozi. Okay. 3 years. Driver. His biggest problem, his biggest challenge right now is the complainer, the person of the complainer. That's the biggest problem. That's the biggest problem. And it seems to have been tried by social media. But also, you have to stop looking at the character and what comment on social media. You have to be agreeing with you, and you have to manage it from that person.
council, do you want to advise how court should look at the council?
Your Honor, I invite you to, if you know these cameras, just do your work. Just ignore, do your work. And the character is complaining. Because has the exams, tomorrow we pick us. We don't know which are good. We will never go there, or we should go there and mistake. Recorded for YouTube.
That is our police or
Police. Police.
Our police.
And the owner of the state notice, the reminder of our notification, and the anti-torture. See, there's evidence that issued. That is not a structure. Those charges are founded on torture.
I was going to advise you, council, what steps you can do, but you seem to be much informed about this. Appropriate steps that you can.
Then I was only set up.
But
We are only set up the elections commission.
But I'll put it on record.
Yes,
It's good you know the appropriate steps that you can take to address the issue.
yes, I'm going to find it. See, there's evidence. So now, it's more citizen here who can access themselves. That's the story of Goliath and David. That's what it is. That's what it is. And before we do this, you serve someone. You also invite an insult. That's what it is. I'm not saying that you insult them, but I'm saying that if you insult somebody,
Is that on the mission?
no? We want them to go to school and finish the investment for people. Don't destroy them when they go to the streets. These are our children. And what they are because of our society. Just admit this young man. What if they just ignore what they're doing?
At the discretion of the Honorable Court. Not an absolute. If a person applies for bail to his lawyer, and produce facilities applying for bail, when the accused person is their student, they are supposed to sit for an exam. And they have missed some papers. The next week, surprisingly, Joseph, Cash was not produced any evidence in form of identity card, or at least the information timetable. Pursue the court to believe that the person is a student from biomedical. He is supposed to be an exam. Just be objecting to this application. On the following ground. Just matters the offense is available, but if there is serious offense, the offense will be satisfied on the surgery. That is cyber harassment and offensive communication. Those the accused can't one court to believe to be a student was very difficult to have him written for a mere statement at the police station. It is evident that from the fact that the offense was committed in March, April, but because of his uncooperative tendency, it is brought up to today. That's when he appeared in court. Yes, inquiry into this matter is still ongoing. It's believed that if this person is released on bail, he's going to interfere with the investigation. That's by deleting some information from the YouTube account from his phone, or which the police has already submitted to forensic for analysis. That's the knowledge and belief. If released, we will delete the investigation, the information, and will affect the investigation also. In fact, I believe that if this person is released on bail, he's going to abscond. And once he absconds, the justice will be delayed. So it is our humble prayer. You see? Then for that person will be denied. The investigation officer be given some time to conclude with this crucial information which has been submitted to forensic. And thereafter we shall ensure a speedy hearing by parading all our witnesses in court and proceeding the matter. Because it's so clear. So I have to pray, those very for that this person that intend to be denied. That's my prayer. And I also accept, prepare an affidavit in support to the objection of this bail application. I take it in court.
Have it opportunities of the city, they have national identity cards. Of course, we give backup identification.
Ikamba kwati.
Wakongo, tungali katika ile wano tuvakwati vajenga vita.